Hello, welcome to Module 2 of the Almond Butter course. And in this module, we're going to be talking about almond butter processing techniques. You're going to master the art of crafting delicious almond butter. So let's get started. The first step is to source and prepare your almonds. You want to make sure that you're getting your produce rather from reputable suppliers, and this is very important for you to have premium butter. So this is not a step that you should take lightly. So get across to a lot of suppliers to be able to find out um, which one works for you. Now, the next thing is to roast your almonds. So, roasting helps to enhance the flavor and the aroma. You can roast it in a pan like this over heat, or you could put it in an oven at 350 degrees Celsius and just roast for about 10 minutes. So, we have the oven roasting, we have the dry roasting, or you could use a commercial roaster. After roasting, you move over to grinding and creating the butter. So you grind your almonds to a creamy or a crunchy texture. Now, please note that when you start grinding initially, it might be granular, but that's fine. Just keep on grinding and then, or blending rather, and then you would actually be able to get to the creamy texture. Now, if you're using a processor or a blender that gets heated very easily, you can take breaks so that the machine can rest and then you can continue. So you could use blenders, you could use food processors, or you could also use commercial grinders. Now, when it gets to the creamy stage, you can add your flavors, and you could salt it or sweeten it depending on how you want it, or you could flavor it with cinnamon or with vanilla, just to customize your almond butter and make sure that you stand out in the market. Also, um, ensure that you're balancing the flavor and texture for different preferences. Yes, we have come to the end of module 2 and we have an activity for you. Compare the benefits and challenges of grinding almonds with a food processor versus a commercial grinder. Which would you choose for your production scale and why? I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section, and if you have any question, as usual, please drop that and we'll be sure to get to you. Bye for now. See you in the next module.